Good morning, children. Today we'll start exercise 13.2 along with it. See the first question. In a saving bank account, the bank offers an annual compound interest of 5% if the interest is added to the principal amount every 6 months. Then how much interest will Naresh get after 1 year if he deposit rupees 1600 in the bank? In this question, every 6 month, this is the important term. Now see how to solve this. It is given principal equal rupees 1600, time it is given 1 year, but 6 month also it is given, that is 6 month means half yearly means the year is multiplied with 2, that is 2 year. Now rate how much it is given, 5%, that is also given 6 months, that means also half yearly, that means it is divided with 2. Remember this very important thing, 6 months means half yearly in the time is multiplied with 2, and the same 6 month half yearly in the rate it is divided with 2. Now the same formula, amount equal principal bracket start 1 plus r upon 100 whole power time. The same you put, principal is 1600, 1 plus rate is how much, 5 upon 2 into 100 whole power time is 2 years. You cancel 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are, that is 1600, 1 plus 1 upon 20 into 2, that is 40 whole power 2. If you solve, it is 1600 bracket start 40 plus 1 whole upon 40 whole power 2, that is 1600 multiply 41 into 41 whole upon 40 into 40, cancel this 0 0, 4 4s are 16, again 4 1s are 4, that is 41 multiply 41, 41 multiply 41 is 1681. You have learned a square in the first chapter. Now we have to find compound interest. Compound interest equal amount minus principal. How much is the amount you got? 1681 minus what is the principal? 1600. If you subtract it, you will get rupees 81 as the compound interest. Is it clear? See, rate and time, we know if it is half yearly, in time we have to multiply with 2, and the rate it has to divide it upon 2. The formula of amount we have seen in the chapter 1, principal bracket start 1 plus r upon 100 whole power time. Principal is given 1600, 1 plus r is 5 upon 2 into 100 whole power 2, that is time. Then you cancel, 5 20 is 100. Then 20 into 2, that is 40, that whole power 2. Then 40 into 140 plus 141 upon 40. That means 41 upon 40 we have to write twice. Cancel this 0 0. Then 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. 41 into 41, you know the square of 41 into 41, that is 1681. We have to find compound interest. What is the value of compound interest formula? That is amount minus principal. How much amount you got? 1681 minus 1600. If you subtract, you will get rupees 81 as a compound interest. Question number 2. Anamika deposited rupees 24,000 at 10% annual interest for 2.5 years. If the interest is calculated every 6 months, the same 6 month means half yearly, how much money will she get on maturity? Means after 1 whole 1 upon 2 years, half yearly, how much amount she will get in her hand, that we have to find out. What is given? Principal is given rupees 24,000. Time is given 1 whole 1 upon 2 years. If you change this mix into whole to 1 2 plus 1 3 upon 2 years, that is 6 months. 6 month means half yearly. That means what I said, you have to multiply with 2. Cancel this 2 ones are 2 ones are, that is 3 years. Time is of how much? 3 years. Then rate was of 10%. In the rate, if it is half yearly, then 10 upon 2, that is 5%. Now we have to put in the formula amount equal principal bracket start 1 plus r upon 100 whole power time. Then principal is rupees 24,000, bracket start 1 plus r is 5% upon 100, time is 3 years. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. Now 24,000 20 plus 1 whole upon 20 power 3. That means 24,000 into 21 into 21 into 21. 3 times upon 20 into 20 into 20. Cancel this 3 times 0 with the table of 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Again 2 ones are 2 six are. Again with the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Now 3 multiply 21 cube. Just now I have gave you a hint how to write. 21 cube is 9261. Now multiply with 3. 9261 multiply with 3 is rupees 27,783. In this question it was asked to find out the amount. So amount is rupees 27,783. Now see the third question. Find out the difference between compound interest and simple interest. We have to find both compound interest and simple interest for rupees 7,500. Principal is rupees 7,500. At the rate of 8% per annum. Rate of interest is 8% per annum for 1 year. Now what it is given? Note the compound interest is calculated every 6 months. 6 month means half yearly. We have to solve half yearly. Time into 2 and rate upon 2. Check. Principal is given 7,500. Time is 1 year, that is half yearly. That means 1 multiplied 2, that is 2 years. Rate is 8%, half yearly, that means 8 upon 2, that is 4%. We know the formula of amount, that is principal bracket start 1 plus r upon 100 whole power t. Principal is 7,500. 1 plus rate is 4 upon 100, time is 2 years. Cancel with the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100, that is 7,500. 25 into 125 plus 126 upon 25 whole power 2. That means 7,500 into 26 into 26 upon 25 into 25. You cancel it, you will get rupees 8,112. If you cancel 25 ones are 25 300s are, then again 25 ones are 25 12s are, then 26 square you know and multiply with 12, that is 8,112. This is the amount. We have to find compound interest. Its formula is amount minus principal. What is the amount? 8,112 minus principal is rupees 7,500. You subtract it, you will get 612. Now you have to find simple interest. The formula of simple interest is principal into time into rate whole upon 100. How much is principal? 7,500 into time. Time how much you got? That is 2. Rate how much you got? 4. Whole upon 100. Cancel this 0 0. Then multiply 75 as it is. 4 2s are 8. 75 into 8 is rupees 600. Simple interest how much you got? Rupees 600. What was the question? Difference between compound interest and simple interest. So difference in interest, that is compound interest minus simple interest. Compound interest how much you got? 612, and interest is simple interest is 600. So what will be the difference if you subtract? It will be rupees 12. That means always the compound interest is greater than the simple interest. Is it clear? See the fourth question. What will be the compound interest on a principal of rupees 8,000 in 1 year when the rate of interest is 5% per annum? Note the interest is calculated every 6 months. It is also here every 6 months. Principal is given rupees 8,000. Time is given 1 year. It is half yearly. That means 1 into 2, that will be 2 years. Same, that is rate is 5%. It is half yearly. That means 5 upon 2. That means 5 upon 2%. Now we have to find amount equal principal bracket start 1 plus r upon 100 whole power time. What is the principal? Principal is rupees 8,000. 1 plus what is the value of rate? 5 upon 2 multiplied by 100. What is the time? Whole power 2. Cancel 2. 5 ones are 5 20s are. That means 8,000 20 into 2 40 plus 1 whole upon 40 whole power 2. That means 8,000 40 plus 1 41 upon 40 whole power 2. That means 8,000 multiply 41 multiply 41 upon 40 upon 40. Cancel this 0 0. Now with the table of 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 20 is 80, 4 1 is 4, 4 5 is 20. That means 5 into 41 into 41. That is rupees 8,405. That is amount you got rupees 8,405. Now you have to find compound interest. The formula of compound interest is amount minus principal. Amount you got 8,405 minus principal is 8,000. If you subtract, you will get rupees 405 as compound interest. Is it clear?